I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you can see I'm here in downtown Sykesville, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision, and it's raining pretty heavily right now. And if you take a look, I'm going to zoom into the Patapsco River, and it's flowing pretty good. It's because at the time I'm filming this, Tropical Storm Debbie is among us, and this is not just Little Debbie, this is Big Deborah. Big storm, lots of rain, but hey, it's not going to stop CSX from going through the Old Main Line. Although there was a tornado warning that went through Woodbine this morning. So right now we do have an eastbound. This is L198, M332's extension. I believe it's got an AC 44 liter. Not sure what the rolling stock is, but yeah. Hope you all enjoy this video. I'm trying out kind of a new spot here in Sykesville. So here it comes. Here it is. Nailed that shot. I'm very happy about that. Ooh, that's old. And the ghost is there too. Yep. L198 heading to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore, Maryland, here in downtown Sykesville. We are under a shady tree, so no need, or the video should be impacted. Here comes some more old cars for hoppers. It's not what you usually see on 372. The tankers are a little different, the hoppers are a little different. That's kind of how you can tell. Very subtle difference, but I can notice. Look how short that tanker is. All these are short. And they're almost all loaded. Empty. Oh, these are empty though. That's pretty cool. Oh, the rain's picking up big time. And there it goes. Oh man, it is flying. Thank you all for watching, and here from Sykesville, Maryland, the Old Main Line. This is the Old Main guy and Hurricane Debbie and Old Main Productions signing off. Everyone watching this video, have a great day.